Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever found yourself stuck with a bunch of files in Google Drive that desperately need renaming, but doing it one by one seems like a nightmare, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a super efficient way to rename multiple files in your Google Drive using Google Sheets and a powerful add-on called FileDrop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to save time and give your drive some much-needed organization without breaking a sweat. Alright, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to have FileDrop installed on your Google Sheets. Now, if you haven't grabbed it yet, don't worry, just head over to the Extensions tab at the top of your Sheets, choose Add-ons, and search for FileDrop. Once you've found and installed it, we're ready to move on. Take a breath. Sometimes setting up extensions can be tricky, but once it's there, this process gets really smooth. With FileDrop good to go, let's pop over to Google Drive. Now, locate the folder where you have the files that need renaming. Don't worry if you have a lot of files, FileDrop can handle big batches, which is why this method is so handy. When you found your folder, click in so you're viewing the files, and then look at the top in your browser bar for the URL. What you're after is that long string of code in your address bar. That's your folder's unique URL. Just copy that whole URL, you'll need it in the next step. Now switch back over to your Google Sheets. Head again to the Extensions menu, find FileDrop, and underneath, look for Actions and then select List Files in Folder. This is where the magic starts happening. It'll pop up a box asking for that URL we just copied, simply paste it in. When you click OK or Proceed, FileDrop will gather all the file names from that drive folder and pull them right into your sheet in a neat list. Take a moment to let it load. Depending on how many files you have, if your folder's jam-packed, it may take a minute. Once those file names appear in your sheet, you're ready for the main event, renaming. In the column where the file names are shown, simply click into the cell, delete the old name, and type in your new one. This part can feel a bit tedious if you've got lots of files, but it's way faster and way less clicky than renaming them one by one in Drive. Think of it like organizing a wardrobe. You can see everything lined up and just update what you need to. Take your time here. If you're unsure about any of the names, you can double-check as you go. When you've finished updating all the names, give everything a quick review. It's always worth a second glance. Once all your new names are set, it's time to cement those changes. Head back up to Extensions, find FileDrop again, go down to Actions and choose Rename Files. Hit OK, and here, where the behind-the-scenes magic happens. FileDrop will go through your list, find each file in Google Drive, and update the names just how you laid them out in your sheet. Depending on the number of files, this might take a few moments, so don't panic if it looks like nothing's happening right away. Give your Google Drive a quick refresh, and voila! You'll see your files have their brand new names, all organized and ready to go. It feels pretty great, right? And there you have it. You've just streamlined what could have been a super time-consuming task. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions or run into any snags, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.